Hello guys, this is Jason and you are watching SS Films.
I'm scared man.
So let's start with the unboxing. I have just ordered the tripod stand for my YouTube channel. So you can see this. So it has cost me around 650 rupees. It was in offer, Diwali offer. Yes, I have ordered it from Amazon. So let's unbox it. I have ordered it from Amazon. So it is written that 50 lightweight aluminium tripod. This is a aluminium tripod stand. Yes. And there are some instruction on in other languages. There is also a barcode scanner. You can see that. So just unbox. Comes with the bag. Wow, the bag quality is so premium. Whoa. Wow. See this Amazon logo on it. So it is from Amazon only. Wow. The bag quality is so premium. Yes, you can carry it anywhere. You can carry this tripod anywhere. And it is a 50-inch tripod stand. Let's unbox. Oh, it is open already from here. So let it keep it aside. Here are some again instruction in other languages. There are so much of instruction to avoid the danger of suffocated. Keep this bag. What? The build quality of this tripod stand is so premium. You can feel the touch. Wow, it's matte finish. And there is a measuring instrument you got here to keep your tripod stand in level. Yes, and you can see this. There is so long thing, man. It will be not coming in the camera, so I will show you outside. So I will be showing the outside footage of this. So this is, oh, you can see that. You can also turn it around and like this. Because the unboxing of tripod stand is not coming in the camera, as you can see that. So I am showing you like this. There are extension legs, three types of. This is the extension leg. You have to just open this and lock it like this. Let's do from one side. Whoa, you can see that. There is a lock time system that you can keep this how much you want the height. There is also measuring device you can for leveling the tripod stand. So just level it. You can see, and you have the screws type, like here you have to just lock it that it doesn't move. And if you want to make like this type of moving, then you have to just do it loose so it comes moving. And you can also do this like that for your camera support. You can see the height of this tripod stand. This is 50 inches tripod stand and my height is of around 5 feet 10 inches. Yes, it is so light, man. Yes. So now I will show you how to mount the camera on it. So now the camera I am going to mount is Sony Handycam DCR SR68 series. Yes, this is flip and it has a touch display. So now I am going to mount it on the tripod. Wow, so I have just mounted it on the tripod stand. You can see how premium it looks. I love this tripod. Amazon has built a very strong tripod, you can see that. If you want to order this tripod right now, go in the description box and click the link below. And do follow me on Instagram for further details.